Customs Meets the Community has so far visited 6 parishes. Our most recent visit was in the parish of Clarendon.
Waiting for where?
Clarendon!
All right, let's go Team JCA!
Yay!
Welcome to the great parish of Clarendon.
It's indeed a pleasure to have you here. And when we heard that you are coming to Clarendon, we said, oh, that's such a good thing. Custom meets Clarendon. I must say that a lot of us don't know exactly what the roles of customs are, even though a lot of us travel through the airports and the ports, the seaports.
You'll find that at every engagement, there's general information that we cover. This includes customs policies and clearance procedures. We also seek to include other border regulatory agencies in these sessions.
Today we have partnered with the Post and Telecommunication Department, otherwise known as Central Sorting Office. The Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association is also on this leg of the journey and will provide you with relevant information if you are in business and is interested in manufacturing or exporting.
If you look at the Jamaica Customs mission, it speaks about 3 things. One of them is, it is our responsibility as customs to protect the border. The other thing that we are mandated to do as customs is to collect revenues. We do work on behalf of several ministries, departments, and agencies of the government of Jamaica. So when we are on the border and we're looking for guns and ammunition and explosive firecrackers and all those things, we're not just doing it for customs. We're doing it on behalf of the Ministry of National Security. So as a gatekeeper, we do work on behalf of the Ministry of Health. When you get your medication and it comes in, who is it that is going to check to ensure that if you say you are importing Panadol? Who is it that checks to ensure that it's indeed Panadol that is on the labeling? It is a customs officer who will check.
We always try to cover the importation of personal and commercial items, as we've realized that this is an area which affects all Jamaicans, whether you're an individual shipping a package or you're operating a business, small or large.
What if I can't make it to collect my shipment? You write a letter of authorization to giving someone over the age of 18 permission to come and clear that shipment on your behalf. You take a copy of your passport, your driver's license, make a copy, and you also put a note, and you get that signed by a Justice of the Peace or Notary Public.
For our Westmoreland engagement, we took a more inclusive approach by inviting members of our disabled community. The feedback was tremendous, and we continue this approach into our Clarendon engagement.
The organizers recognize that persons with disabilities are valuable to their customer base as any other Jamaican, and so they have invested in ensuring that persons with disabilities participate in their community engagement, which includes providing for sign language interpretation for the deaf persons who attend. It is also noteworthy that there is a special presentation to the Maypen unit for the deaf, which is truly commendable. We are also happy to know that, as the deaf dancers reminded us, we are not forgotten.
When we started this engagement in St. Elizabeth in May 2017, the Montego Bay team led by our able Jacinth Mighty, she directed the entire play that you see come out. She did the script from start to end. On behalf of the Customs Meets the Community Committee, Jacinth, we want to thank you wholeheartedly, sincerely from our hearts, for just really supporting the team and really putting your heart into it. This particular individual has stayed committed to the cause. This particular individual has never said no and has always risen to the occasion. Mr. Sean Barrow, on behalf of the Customs Meets the Community Committee, you have just been so awesome from the get-go. Thank you so, so, so much, Sean. You've been awesome. This is the team that makes it all happen. It could not happen without them. And as chair of the committee, I am so very proud to be a part of this awesome, awesome, awesome team.
So look out Jamaica, our journey will continue where we will visit another parish in the final quarter of the financial year.